Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you're probably excited about staking XRP on platforms like Stake.us. Today, I'm walking you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to transfer XRP to Stake.us. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto involves risks, so double-check everything to keep your assets safe. First things first, make sure you have an XRP wallet set up. If you're coming from an exchange like Coinbase or Binance, log in and locate your XRP balance. Now, head over to Stake.us and create an account if you haven't already. It's quick. Just verify your email and set up two-factor authentication for added security. Once you're logged in, navigate to the deposit section. Look for XRP specifically. Stake.us supports it, but confirm any 2025 updates on their site, as regulations might have changed. Copy the unique wallet address provided. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be careful not to miss any characters. Back in your source wallet or exchange, initiate a transfer. Enter the Stake.us wallet address, specify the amount of XRP you want to send, and double-check for any network fees. XRP transactions are usually fast and cheap, but in 2025, make sure you're using the XRP Ledger network to avoid delays. After you confirm the transaction, keep an eye on it using a blockchain explorer like XRP Scan. It should show up in your Stake.us account within minutes. Once it's there, you're all set to start staking and earning rewards. A quick tip: always start with a small amount for your first transfer to test the waters. And if you run into any issues, check Stake.us's help center or community forums. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's grow our portfolios together. See you in the next video.